Hello everyone. Today I am trying to upload dot dat file in Python. Dat file in Python. Then how to upload this three file in Python. So let's start first. Our first is first I have opened Jupyter Notebook. In Jupyter Notebook, I am simply click new here and I have selected Python 3 open click there. After that, after that, I have write how to upload file in Python in that file in Python. So first I have import panda as pd I have write, and after that I need to upload three dat file in Python. So first for that file, what I have written here, pd equal to pd is a container name. In this is container. You have put anything in this pd. So in pd I have write pd. Sorry, not here pd I have write df. Df is a container name and pg is a aliases name. Sorry, okay. So I have write pd dot data frame. Pd is a df is a data frame container name. Then I have write pd dot uh, table. Sorry, pd dot read uh, uh, for that file. I have tried different types of csv, excel, Mirror, and all. I have tried to pick that, but I am not able to read. So I have write pd.read table. Okay, then I have uh, go there and simply select path of this file. So what I can do, I can simply copy as a path. Uh, I have click here and I write and I paste this path in here. You can see here I have simply click this and read this, and after I have shift enter, and you can see here I have received this error, uh, Unicode error UTF-8 code can't decodes white this. Okay, so what I can do, I can simply do here uh, encode encoding encoding equal to Latin Latin 1. I have write and then I have tried. I think I have successfully read this file, and then I have you can see here I have read that file. Then I try to read all other two file also. This is our df dot read. Okay, then I have read here df1 dot read table, and then I have copies encoding. First I copy file path and file path copy as a path, and I simply write here and paste that. Then I write encoding, and then I have write Latin Latin 1, and then I have read that. I have df2 df2 I have write. Sorry, what is name df1. Okay, so I have write this, and third file I need to read for third file. Then I have write df2 equal to pd dot read table, and then I have open parenthesis and close parenthesis. Then I have simply copy as a path simply, and then I have paste this, and then I have write encoding, and then I have write Latin Latin 1. Then I have read this also df2. Then you can see here I have read all three file. First is df, second is df1, and third is df2. Then how I read dot file? You can simply say that here uh, pd pd dot file path, pd dot read read table. Then I have give here file path, and sometime you have do this, your file is readable, but sometime you have add more information. Then I have write here encoding equal to Latin 1, and this is enough for you. Then thank you for watching this video, guys. Thank you everyone, and please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friend. Thank you.